Izakhamuzi zithi kubonakala konke kufiphala njengombana umraro wezepolotiki oragela phambili nje. Bathi bafuna ukwazi bona babekwaphi bona begodu iintjhijilo zezenzelwa zomphakathi abaqalene nazo zona kuzokwenzakalani ngazo. Lokhu kubala hlangana umraro wokuqindeliswa kwegezi, ukuthathwa kwenzibi kunye nokuphunguka kwemisebenzi nokukhuphuka kwegezi.
Simoshakalelwe amafriji, ukutya, yonke into. Abantwana bakwazi ukufunda, bafunda amakhandlela, indaba e-load shedding. Leso sikhathi bafuna sibavotele. Ayisebenzi kanjalo. uMpho Phalatse kadazama marukhutshiwe.
The preoccupation of our political leaders at the local government level should always be about service delivery, but it's quite really disappointing that we see nonsensical political expediency games.
Nanyana kunjalo izazi ngendaba zikarhulumende zithi ituthuko yamva nje itshengisa ithwala lokungasetshenziswa ngefanelo kwamandla nokubogaboga kokubusa ngokuhlanganyela lapha kunenhlangano eziningi ezincane ezibe zinginkosi ngokulinga ukubumbanisa nokusebenza ndawonye. Lapha kunenhlangano eziningi ezincane ezibe zinginkosi ngelokulinga ukubambisana nokusebenza ndawonye.
You have to ask whether the politicians who are removing other politicians in votes of no confidence and then work together in back rooms to put other candidates forward almost on a day-by-day basis, whether they have a full understanding of the impact on service delivery.
Abanye bosomnotho bathi ukuchukuchukuluka kanengi kwabaholi ngikho ekuvulela ubukhohlakali.
When we go to the tenders, we get to see a challenge in terms of instability of change of hands in supply chain and change of hands in accounting officers, which as well lead the city of Johannesburg to probably experience multiple corruption.
Njengombana iJwanisbhege ibona kufanele kube namatjhuguluko edorobheni nje, abantu abasendleleni bona bazifunela izenzelwa zomphakathi ezingcono nezibafaneleko.